Hey guys, my baby cousin is playing in my grandpa's phone. As you can see, it's a bit big. As you know, in downstairs I have two of them, Santonino, I guess. One is wearing the red and one is wearing gold. I feel kind of bad. Okay. Stop.
I-send mo sa akin, ha?
Are you making fun of me?
Yun na.
Okay, no. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna let us know. Let's just play with let's see. You talk to Ninang first while I'm peeing. Ninang, will you talk to them? I'm peeing.
Post it na lang.
Post
I'm
it like
talking
this?
to someone. Oo.
Like this?
Pag sinabi.
Just a second, okay? Hey, I'm back now. No!
Hindi yan tatay.
Hindi ito tatay. Tignan mo.
Kunin mo yung mga unan. Baka mapatid ka. Sabi mo lang dito sa gilid.
It's just getting worse.
Oh, yan. Okay,
This is
punta ka doon kay
getting
nanay.
worse. So
O,
sorry.
tignan mo namin. Teka lang.
Of my baby.
Ano ba to? Hyundai kotse. Buy one
Of
take
my
one
baby
na.
cousin.
Hyundai na
It's an
kotse. Buy one
accident.
take one na.
So I'm sorry.
Anong modelo?
If it's an accident, I'm very sorry. Ikot. Mommy,
Tignan mo nga.
can you record first?
Alin?